Hello everybody. We all know that plastic has surrounded us in our day-to-day life, ranging from everything which we are using today, from the toothbrush to the toothpaste, even the specs which I am wearing now, it also contains plastic. So guys, we all know that when this plastic goes in our body, it can be very dangerous for our health. So get ready. I have a shocking and interesting fact for you. The sanitary pads which the women of our country are using, it contains 90% of plastic. Can you imagine 90%? And this amount of plastic can take 600 to 800 years to get decomposed. And it is a big number, guys. According to data by Down to Earth, there are 12.3 billion amount of sanitary pads in our country, and this amount of sanitary pads contribute for 1,13,000 tons of waste. And you know where this waste is going? It is going into the landfills of our nation. So with the health issue, this is also a major environmental issue for our nation. And these amount of sanitary pads do not only pollute the environment, it can also cause you personal hygiene problems. Like it can cause you irritation, it can cause you allergic reactions, it can cause you fungal infections. So you can see that how a plastic can be very dangerous for our health. So guys, up to now, all the things which I just told you, these are shocking, right? But more than shocking, these are concerning. So guys, when a problem comes, only a few people act. They don't wait for any type of governmental aid. They only see the problem and make their own path. And guys, same is a person named Hetal Virani. She's an ordinary woman with an extraordinary effort and a superb idea. All the concerns which I just told you did not let her to sleep at all. In fact, it made her to go into the vast pool of social entrepreneurship. In 2018, she came up with the idea of bamboo and banana fiber made sanitary pads, which are known as a Sparkle. And guys, wait for a moment and think that in today's era, you can imagine a sanitary pad without the use of plastic. But this extraordinary woman made it possible. She made the sanitary pads which are better for the agriculture, better for the community, and most importantly, better for the well-being of our women. So guys, you all must be wondering that why only banana? Why not any other commodity? So I'll be telling you a fact and this will answer your question. So in our India, 65 million tons of agro waste is created after the harvest of banana. And this amount of waste is nothing but a burden for our farmers. So spouse Hetal and Chirag, they purchase this waste from the farmers, and this helps the farmer to generate an extra income. Later on, this waste is converted into fibers via processors, and this become a component for the biodegradable pads. Now guys, a basic question arises here, that how these pads are different from the conventional ones. So I'll be telling you how these pads are made. First of all, the topmost part of the pad, it is made out of bamboo fibers, and we all know that bamboo fiber possess antibacterial property. Later on, the core part is made out of super absorbent banana fibers and biopolymers. And in the end, the back part is made with starch based leak proof comfortable fibers. And you know the best part about the whole pad is that the whole pad is made out of non-toxic adhesives, and it is very easy to dispose it of also, as it come up with biodegradable disposable bags. Well, of course some brands do provide it, but there are a very few ones. And guys, apart from all these things, Sparkle also makes sure that the packaging is eco-friendly. Eco-friendly in the sense that the cartons which are used for the packaging, they are made out of cellulose. So friends, after all the discussion which I just made with you, I would like to point out on a highlight that earlier in our country, the issue was of accessibility of pads. But now in our country, the issue is of accessibility of right pads, and Sparkle works in that direction only. Sparkle works with local schools, communities and NGOs. This distribute the sanitary pad and also spread awareness about the menstrual cycle. Whenever you do an online purchase with Sparkle, they donate a sanitary pad to a needy child. And And guys, Sparkle as an enterprise is inspired by Prime Minister's initiative of Swachh Bharat Mission and Make in India. And recently Sparkle was also in the top 5 list of most innovative startups in the health category by the San Francisco based TechCrunch. It has been also claimed that Sparkle as an enterprise is alone eliminating 1 million sanitary pads which are made out of plastic every year. So guys, after the whole case study you have seen that when a social entrepreneur idea is created, it brings a societal revolution and brings a positive impact in the life of people. And in the end, I just want to say that when a social entrepreneur thinks, a pad becomes not only a pad, it becomes an eco-friendly and health-friendly pad. Thank you and namaste.